40,000 people worldwide is that we are all customers of a company called Seacret, which makes products from this dead sea. And these products have a lot of nutritive value that allow for persons to lose weight, persons for their skin to look great, and it's everything good and nothing bad.
Oh God, it's so good.
I'm not gonna tell you any lie, guys. This is tasty. Hi guys, it's your girl Nikki. Welcome to my channel. Today guys, I want to discuss my secret to losing weight and looking great. And do you want to know what that secret is? Secret lies in my Seacret Life by Seacret shake.
Why the new Seacret Shake? It's organic, 22 grams protein, gluten-free, vegan, 28 servings with just 2 scoops. It's pure plant protein. Seacret Shake has only 120 calories, 2.5 fat, while the whey protein is 190 calories, 3.5 fat. Wow, too much. Seacret is purely organic pea protein, brown rice protein, chia seeds, quinoa sprout, etc. I have bananas, grapes, blueberries, papaya. In this, I add my celery sticks. Then I put in my almond milk. I have chia and sunflower seeds. Then I add my turmeric, which fights cancer, my flax seeds. Then I have my 2 scoops of shake. Then I put my ice and my ginger, and then I mix. It tastes so great. And guys, it has no gluten and no dairy. It builds lean muscles and manages weight. And since the coronavirus is 75% more contagious, guys, your health is very important. And so this shake is really great because it's organic. It fights my Graves' disease. It promotes general health. And it doesn't have inflammatory ingredients. You can shop in my Seacret store because Seacret, look, live, feel your best life.
Looking good, never tasted so good. And so what's so great about this shake, guys? It's non-GMO, it's gluten-free, it's dairy-free, nut-free, soy-free, no artificial ingredients, plant-based, and vegan. And so guys, if you're all about losing weight, not feeling chunky, wearing clothes that you have had for years, guys, this is the shake for you. So important to like videos just like these, because these are the videos that help you to lose weight, to manage your weight, to look and feel good without having to worry about harmful products going into your body. And as a Graves' disease patient, guys, I have an autoimmune disease that affects my metabolism. And so because of that challenge, it's even more important for me to drink products like this. And what I love about this is that it's a meal replacement. And so guys, I can drink this twice a day and combine with your greens. If you want to reset your metabolism, it's an excellent way of detoxifying your body and resetting that metabolism so that you can start a clean slate and lose weight. You can get over that plateau. So guys, those are the reasons why I fell in love with this Seacret Shake, and I highly recommend it to anyone. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, thanks for checking in. And if you liked the content, feel free to hit that subscription sign below, hit that notification bell, become a part of the Nickilicious family. We do health, we do wellness, we do beauty, we do a little bit of vlogging and motivational videos from time to time. And so guys, until next time, thanks for joining the family. Thanks for watching the video.
And time to say goodbye.